The action camera world is about to explode with excitement because DJI is reportedly preparing something massive, something that could completely change how we capture adventure, creativity, and everyday life, the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6. For months, leaks and whispers have been surfacing across Reddit threads, insider forums, and tech sites, painting a picture of a device that might not just compete with GoPro's best, but might actually redefine what an action camera can do. Now, if you thought the Osmo Action 5 was impressive, just wait, because what's coming next is shaping up to be an absolute monster. Early rumors suggest that DJI is taking a massive leap forward with the Action 6 by introducing a 1-inch sensor, a move that would instantly set it apart from every other action camera on the market. That's right, a full 1-inch sensor inside a compact, rugged action cam. If true, this could mean breathtaking low-light performance, cinematic depth of field, and details so sharp they almost feel unreal. Imagine capturing mountain bike rides, surf sessions, or snowboarding footage with colors and clarity that look straight out of a high-end mirrorless camera. But that's just the beginning of what the leaks reveal. According to multiple reliable sources, the DJI Osmo Action 6 could feature 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, alongside buttery-smooth 4K 120fps and 1080p 240fps slow-motion options, meaning you'll be able to slow time itself while keeping your footage crisp and crystal clear. Combine that with DJI's next-generation stabilization system, rumored to be Rocksteady 4.0, and you're looking at footage so smooth it'll feel like it's been shot on a professional gimbal. Rocksteady has already built a reputation for jaw-dropping stability, but this next-gen version supposedly uses AI-powered horizon leveling, allowing full 360-degree correction. So even if you flip your camera upside down mid-jump or during a wild drift, the horizon stays perfectly level, turning chaotic movement into cinematic perfection. And that's not all. Another exciting leak hints that the Osmo Action 6 might introduce deep smartwatch integration. Yes, that's right. Real connectivity with your Apple Watch, Garmin, or other wearables. This would allow you to start or stop recording, change shooting modes, or even overlay health and performance data right from your wrist. Picture this. You're cycling, diving, or skiing, and without even touching the camera, you're controlling your entire recording setup from your watch. That's next-level convenience, and if DJI pulls this off, it'll be a game-changer for vloggers, athletes, and outdoor creators everywhere. On top of that, early insiders suggest the Action 6 could come with built-in internal storage, possibly up to 64GB alongside microSD support, finally solving the frustration of running out of space mid-shoot. This might sound like a small detail, but for travelers and creators who rely on their gear in unpredictable environments, it's a massive upgrade. Speaking of upgrades, leaks also indicate that DJI is working on a new body design, slightly larger but smarter in terms of heat dissipation. The company has apparently learned from overheating complaints in past generations, so the Action 6 could feature an advanced cooling system that allows for sustained 8K recording without thermal throttling, a first for this category. Combine that with what's rumored to be a bigger battery, potentially lasting 20 to 25% longer than the Action 5 Pro, and we might finally have an action cam capable of recording long-form 8K content without compromise. DJI is also rumored to be refining the dual touchscreen setup, with brighter, more responsive displays, perfect for vloggers and content creators who need clear framing under bright sunlight or underwater conditions. The front display could reportedly support touch controls as well, making it easier than ever to adjust settings on the fly. Some insider photos floating around suggest that DJI might also enhance the microphone system, possibly adding directional audio pickup and wind reduction, offering cleaner sound straight out of the camera without needing external mics. And get this, there are even discussions about AI-assisted scene recognition, where the Action 6 could automatically adjust exposure, stabilization strength, and color balance depending on whether you're underwater, in snow, or in desert lighting. If that's real, DJI isn't just chasing specs. They're building smart filmmaking tools that adapt in real time, letting creators focus purely on the moment. Now, when it comes to design and build, leaks point to a refined, rugged body with better waterproofing, possibly up to 20 meters without a case. The materials used might be lighter yet stronger, blending aluminum and reinforced polymer for durability that can survive crashes, dives, and drops. There's also talk about magnetic mounting 2.0, meaning even faster, more secure attachment to accessories, drones, and helmets. If you've ever used the previous models, you'll know how intuitive that system already is. But DJI apparently wants to take it further, perhaps with improved alignment and vibration resistance. All of these details combine to suggest a camera that's not just built for adventurers, it's designed for storytellers who demand the best. Of course, the million-dollar question is, when's it coming and how much will it cost? Multiple leaks, including those from TechRadar and the new camera, hint at a possible October 2025 launch window, which lines up with DJI's usual annual release cycles. Pricing, on the other hand, remains speculative, but estimates suggest a starting point around $399 to $449, depending on whether DJI introduces multiple variants, like a standard Action 6 and an Action 6 Pro version. And let's be honest, if all these rumored features make it into the final product, that price would be a steal. Remember, this is the same company that dominates drone and gimbal technology worldwide. They know how to push performance boundaries while maintaining sleek design and usability. Across Reddit and YouTube communities, excitement is already building to a fever pitch. Creators are calling it the potential GoPro Killer 2.0, claiming that if DJI delivers 8K recording, a 1-inch sensor, and AI stabilization, the GoPro Hero lineup could finally have serious competition that's more than just hype. Others are speculating that DJI might even add log recording profiles, giving creators more flexibility in post-production, or 10-bit color depth, pushing image quality to near cinematic levels. There's also a lot of talk about how DJI could integrate this camera into its ecosystem of drones and gimbals, possibly letting users sync footage or even stream directly from the Action 6 to DJI's Fly app or remote devices. But beyond the specs, what really makes this camera so anticipated is the vision behind it. DJI seems to be listening closely to its community, addressing pain points like overheating, limited battery life, storage constraints, and stabilization limits. Every rumor points to the Action 6 being not just an evolution, but a revolution in design and performance. The company appears to be blending the best aspects of their drone imaging technology, AI systems, and compact camera design into one powerhouse device. And if they truly manage to deliver the combination of 8K capture, advanced stabilization, deep smartwatch integration, and long-lasting performance, all wrapped in a waterproof, rugged body, it could easily become the most powerful and versatile action camera ever made. As for the competition, GoPro will have a serious challenge on its hands. The Hero 13 might deliver strong features, but a 1-inch sensor with 8K support? That's a different league entirely. Sony and Insta360 might try to counter with modular systems or AI tricks, but DJI's history of precision engineering gives it an edge. Every leak, every small design clue, seems to suggest one clear message: DJI is not here to play safe. They're here to dominate. So, as we wait for the official reveal, one thing is certain: if even half of these rumors are true, the DJI Osmo Action 6 won't just be another camera, it'll be the ultimate storyteller's weapon. A device built to capture not just footage, but emotion, adrenaline, and pure visual magic. Whether you're a filmmaker, an adventurer, or just someone who loves pushing creative limits, this camera could redefine what's possible in the palm of your hand. And when it finally drops, expect the internet to go wild. Because DJI's next move might just change the action camera world forever. Stay tuned, because if these leaks are anything to go by, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is about to make history, and every second of that reveal will be worth the wait.